game, and former Raptor Gary Trent Jr. is reportedly joining Giannis in the Bucks. Sports at 15. All major markets closed on positive ground, but the Dow Jones had its best day in over a year, closing at a record and up more than 740 points. The TSX closed at a record at more than 240, business at 26.
Big City News Time 501.
Traffic and weather together on the ones brought to you by Yum KFC, Airborne Kyle Hockey.
Flying over the Don Valley Parkway, James, and we likely will not have this highway available to us probably for the next day or two because the Don River, which flows adjacent, is very high and it's overtaken the entire section of the DVP through Dundas. So the highway's been closed in both directions, north and southbound DVP off limits from the Gardner up to Baby Bloor. Due to this flooding, you will find southbound traffic heading toward that closure pretty heavy approaching Don Mills down to Baby Bloor. Should also point something else out is that the Eglinton ramps onto the southbound DVP have just been closed by Toronto Transportation due to flooding on those ramps.